Hello and welcome back to Tech Funda. So now we are here in the next chapter in the resources for learning in the investment in stock market. So what is our first topic for today? That is going through Zerodha Varsity. So I would just start from scratch. What is this resource and how can we take the maximum benefit out of it? Okay, so let's go to Google and search for Zerodha Varsity and as you see here this is the link is zerodhavarsity.com is already there. We just open it and then you can see here this is a free and open stock market and financial education. So Varsity is an extensive and in-depth collection of stock market and financial lessons created by Mr. Karthik Rangappa at Zerodha. Okay, it is openly accessible to everyone and is one of the largest financial education resources on the web. Now when we see here what modules have been shown here, one is about introduction to stock markets, and then what is technical analysis, fundamental analysis, futures trading, options theory, and then there are strategies, markets, taxation, currencies and commodities, and all advanced things are there. It is my belief and as you can also make out, this is from A to Z of investment in stock market, and it will also give some additional financial education as needed. And Mr. Karthik Rangappa, he is the head educational initiatives at Zerodha and has more than a decade of research experience in financial markets. So and I have read many of the chapters which were of which I could find relatable to my my application in the stock market. Certainly there are many advanced things, so I am not a financial guy and I am not too much into stock market trading or futures and options and those kind of things, but I think if you have interest you would find everything here. So now just to explore how detailed they have explored the topics or chapters, let's for example go to technical analysis here. So it's just one module and then it has several chapters. So what is the background for technical analysis, and then what are all kind of chart types and what patterns are there, and then there are, maybe you have heard, some support, resistance, volumes and moving averages and indicators and several advanced things as well. So it starts from a very basic and it goes to a very advanced level. So once you go through this, I hope depending on your current level of education in charting softwares, and then I mean some basic charting understanding, you would be able to easily understand some common technical terms which have been being referred by either on the business news channels or business newspapers, or mainly it will be very beneficial when you will start investing by your own. So it would help you to understand how you should analyze the stock charts based on technical analysis. Okay, now if we go back to fundamental analysis, then again, so what is a mindset of investor, how to read the annual reports, and how to understand the profit and loss statement. So it depends upon you how deep you would like to go, and it goes, it takes you every detail. And I would recommend you that you please read uh, the chapters which you find interesting and which you find relatable, and you can understand it. You would definitely agree with me that the level of the language, the ease of explanation is such that you would even find interesting to continually read this resource. Okay, then for example, you can then definitely you can review all these modules based on your uh, comfort. And in the beginning you might feel it is too much of information. So, and we are not here to get the doctorate uh, in this whole wide area of learning. So with time certainly you would have to come back and then go through this, and it would definitely help you to to move efficiently in your journey of stock market investment. Okay, so this was a brief video. I wanted to share such a good resource, and I hope you find it useful. Please let me know your comments. Certainly I would try to answer any such questions, or if you help me to improve the quality of the videos, please let me know. And at the same time, if you have any interest on a particular topic on which I should make a video, please let me know, and then I will definitely try to make such a video on that. My next video should come how to access through either Zerodha or Trendline.com. So please wait for a while, and then I would definitely share such videos. Just to add one more note that when you go through these chapters, so uh, in each chapter there is a comment section also. So if you have any query, you can add it there, and certainly you would get the response from Mr. Karthik himself, or any other user would also be sharing you the details, or to answering your queries. So as you can see, Mr. Karthik Rangappa, so he himself would be responding, I think, most of the questions. But then there are sometimes other users, knowledgeable users, who also respond. So it is a very good resource. Please make use of it, and I hope you wouldn't be disappointed. Thank you so much. Have a good day.